Hello, friends. Welcome to this new podcast show. I am Ava, your host. Today, I have come up with an interesting topic for my all iPhone users. It is depressing to choose an iPhone repair center due to its expensive and time-consuming repair service. Well, don't worry. Repair your broken iPhone screen with the certified experts of iTech Xpress. Maybe you are thinking, why am I recommending iTech Xpress? It is a well-recognized Apple product repair store in Covina. Their highly trained experts can offer high-caliber and guaranteed repair service at an affordable rate. Plus, iTech Express provides a full stock of spare parts to ensure you a fast and same-day repair service. Go through itechexpressing.com to explore more. Or, simply call 626-777-4747. This is all for today's episode. I will come back soon with another new topic, so stay tuned.